Hello, hello everybody. வணக்கம். First எல்லாருக்கும் பெரிய thanks. I have to say a big thanks for the opening and the reception for Sultan. So happy. The afternoon time, everybody is joining in, so happy to see all of you here. I think Rashmika is also there. Pranava JPC, hi. Charukesh, Rahul Reddy, thank you. Deadly Dinesh, ரொம்ப நன்றி உங்களுக்கு படம் பிடிச்சது. I'm so happy you all liked the film and you enjoyed the film. Manivardhan Reddy, hi. Thank you, Raghuram. Thank you. The intention was to watch a film and enjoy, like how we enjoyed films when we were kids. That's how I like the movie. It's a commercial film, and so you can watch with kids, watch with family. But it also had good emotions, which we all connected with. So, how we enjoyed the film, you also enjoyed. So we feel so grateful and thankful. Thank you, Mahesh. Even I like the climax. Climax, similarly, interval block also. Lal sir, he was here yesterday. I think he's gone back to Cochin. I think he did a brilliant job. I think everybody will agree with it. Lal sir was a great support for the film. He's the Katappa of Sultan. Gobi Durai, thank you. Mahesh, thank you. Hi Raghu. Thank you, Raghu. Hi Shantini. Lucid Dreamer, hi.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Adiyare, who's that? Hello, congratulations.
Thank you, congratulations to you.
First film, Tamil first film, super hit.
Oh, sir. Pathingla.
I was praying for you more than anybody.
Amma, I watched it in Bombay.
Oh, how was it? How did you enjoy it?
As soon as the shoot got over, we packed up and I watched it.
Okay.
I loved it. God, what performance, yeah, you gave. I was like, oh my God, you're so good. But how are you all good?
Sorry?
All good?
Yeah, all good. Everyone is happy. We are going to theatres every day to go and see the response.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm so happy. Women are liking it so much, all families, mothers and sisters, they are all saying action is very nice.
Awesome.
Yeah, kids are all saying Jai Sultan.
See? Jai Sultan.
Yeah. Thank you, Smart. Where are you right now? Where are you?
I'm looking for a goodbye right now.
Nice, congratulations. Big film, eh? Bachchan sir also, fantastic.
Thank you. I am unable to see comments. I don't know. You only have to say, sir.
People are talking to us. You talk to them.
No, I can't see the comments. I don't know how to see. Very bad at technology. What are you telling you?
Dharanasri, hi. Smart Power. You're not able to see the comments?
Yeah.
So what do you like in the movie? Which part of the films? Because you have not seen the fights. You're only seeing now, right?
You're asking me?
Yeah, I'm asking you.
I love the fights. I love the way the whole gang comes together, and that time where you thought the gang went off, they abandoned you and all, but they came back, and the look you gave, gone. I was like, this is the best part.
So,
that was my favorite part.
I think even the love scenes everybody enjoyed because Yogi Babu made one different angle to it. So,
And I'm cute, yeah. Even I really like it. It's quite interesting.
okay. Akash says you are very cute, man.
You. When I was
Srinath. Actually, the people are watching from all over the country right now. Even from north, people are watching.
I saw
Ravi Ranjan is saying, please start work in north. She is doing a north film. She is doing a Hindi film now.
when I was watching the film here, the theaters were full. So I was like, wow, everyone
Okay.
are watching. So that's one really good thing now. No comments.
Ihu Verma, hi. So all people are saying you are very cute. So I have said it now. So you listen to it.
Thank you.
ప్రవీణ్ తెలుగులో మాట్లాడాలా ఏదో కొంచెం కొంచెం నాకు తెలుసు ప్రవీణ్ అంత చక్కగా తెలుగు మాట్లాడలేను.
1 second, sir. I think I'll get another just so that I can comment
You can see the comments exactly.
better.
Come back. So anybody has any particular questions? I think everybody is saying only hi. If anybody has any particular questions, then I can probably answer the questions. Thank you for all the wishes for the film. இந்த படத்துக்கு எல்லாரும் விஷ் பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. So happy that everybody enjoyed with the family. And ఎంతో మంది తెలుగు వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు. తెలుగు వాళ్ళు తెలుగులో మాట్లాడాలని అడుగుతున్నారు. సో తెలుగులో మాట్లాడండి.
చెప్పండి చెప్పండి బాగున్నారా ఏం జరుగుతుంది ఇంత తెలుగులో మాట్లాడు తెలుగులో
They're all wishing you for Pushpa also. Pushpa teaser was superb. So I did go to Kashmir. Somebody's talking about Kashmir. I was in Kashmir 2 years back. What a place, man! The best place to go for a holiday. Beautiful. Gulmarg is somewhere we should definitely go and see.
So someone asked, why should you watch Sultan? Give one good reason.
You go with family, you'll enjoy. I think this film has fantastic action, superb emotions, comedy, romance. I think it has everything. You will definitely enjoy the film.
I second that.
So people are asking about Anna. You know, Anna was one big reason for the film to release on time. Anna gave all the support for the theatrical release. So I should thank him for that. And he really enjoyed the film. The first time he asked her, how did he manage 100 people in every scene? And you know what? Most mothers asked, how did you feed them?
Well, question is valid.
Yeah. பொன்னியின் செல்வன் நல்லா போயிட்டு இருக்கு. பொன்னியின் செல்வன் வந்து இப்ப மத்திய பிரதேஷ் போக வேண்டியது, பட் கோவிட் சிச்சுவேஷன்னால அங்க பெர்மிஷன் கிடைக்கல. So probably சென்னை இல்லாட்டி ஹைதராபாத்ல will start shooting. Rashmika, what did Bachchan sir say the first day? What did you talk to him?
Oh, the first day I think I was just there for the cues, and he and we just spoke about very random things. I was like, favorite food, just random things, but he's not very sweet.
Super.
Yeah. Someone say speak in Kannada, sir. You know Kannada?
Kannada kuda matladu. You speak in Kannada 2-3 words, they'll be happy.
Heli. You matadi.
So people are asking about Kaidi 2. We are planning, let's see, probably year end or early next year we might plan the film. Yeah. Lokesh te kelenga. Ask Lokesh. They're all asking about Kaidi 2 for my film. Part 2 of Kaidi they're asking.
Arey, cool, yeah. Kaidi 2, planning.
Rashmika, they're asking you to tell about Suryana.
What do I say?
You haven't met him yet. No, you haven't met him yet.
think in an award function, I just had a glance, I look at him and say, "Hi, sir," like, but nothing else. So yeah, one day I get to work with sir. Let's see.
People were asking some scenes in the film you were looking dull. So I told them you had dengue and you still worked.
I know. I was looking at this and I was like, "Mummy, I'm almost dying in this." You remember, sir, that day that I would just give a focus and I'd just fall off.
Yeah.
I
I know. You really struggled through. Then only we sent you back. I said, you please go back home. You get well and come back.
thinking if you hadn't sent me back, no, it would have been so bad.
You were lucky. And the people are asking about Gada, my bodyguard. So he's called Giant Zanjeer. WWF, one of the fighters. Now he is in America. அவருடைய இதெல்லாம் நம்ம கொடுத்துருக்கோம். We have given his tag in Instagram also. You can see.
I know.
And director வந்து I think Bhagiraj did a great job handling all these people. So many people are new people who never come in front of camera. But the way he handled everybody, they made sure each character was complete, was very good.
So what was part in the film?
Sorry?
What was your favorite part in the film?
Oh, me. For me, I think the fight with Michael was one of the favorite parts. That emotion between, when people turn against Sultan and how everybody reacts.
Right. Okay. And what was the most difficult to shoot? Tell us that.
Sorry?
Which was the most difficult to
Most difficult.
For me, difficult part, I think shooting climax. Because we were stuck in between COVID and we had to shoot with almost 600 people. So that was really challenging to handle everybody. Rashmika will come back, I think. Some problem.
Yeah, I'm back. Sorry.
Yeah, Vivek Mervin gave us great songs. And the படத்துல வந்து பாட்டு வரும்போது படம் ஸ்லோ ஆகாம அந்த படம் இன்னும் ஃபாஸ்டா போச்சுன்னா அதுக்கு மெயின் the songs are a big reason. So I think I loved all the songs in the film.
And I
And again, Yuvan Shankar Raja's BGM became a big talking point of the film. His background score was like epic when you watched it. Hi, Catherine. What is the finger challenge?
everyone is saying hi.
Yeah. Yuvan Shankar Raja வந்து, I think we had a lot of difficult situation. COVID la poi we had to do the background score and Vivek Mervin was still working on the songs. We had to bring the film on time, April 2nd release ஆகணும். So then we asked Yuvan and he actually made it work. What is the finger challenge, Rashmika? Everybody is asking finger challenge. How to do that?
What I was telling, what I was teaching, remember this?
Yeah.
Oh
How is that?
God. So
Like-
one
Okay. So that?
I try. It should go fast.
Amma. Everything is opening. No. I'm not getting it. Sixth sense should work for the setting. Sixth part of the brain has to work for this.
Oh God. So this is the finger challenge which I was telling Bakirat sir about.
Right. So everybody is asking that. People are saying, leave Telugu and come to Tamil.
You like audience.
We should have had a twin sister, yeah. It would have been easier.
Huh?
We should have had a twin sister, I'm saying. Sri Parvati, thank you. Thoda enakku romba pidicha padam. I love that film. Yeah. Please talk in Hindi. Rashmika, you know Hindi? I don't know Hindi.
हाँ जी मुझे पता है, लेकिन कुछ और प्रैक्टिस होना चाहिए.
But you know Tamil, Tamil பேசுங்க. எல்லாருக்கும் ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும்.
தமிழ்ல கூட பேச முடியுங்க. கொஞ்சம் practice.
கொஞ்சம் practice மட்டும் வேணும்.
இப்போ வந்து I think in the same sentence I add 4 languages and I
Mixed up.
yeah. My God, I need to stop speaking multiple languages at the same time.
I know it's very difficult. When Thoda, we used to shoot one shot in Telugu, one shot in Tamil.
Oh God, must have been so confusing, na?
Very, very difficult. I wonder how they did the multilingual, like 3 languages.
Oh.
மலையாளம் தெரியாது, சாரி, மலையாளம் கத்துக்கல. Marathi also there are asking. Gujarati, Marathi, romba kashtam. We can't manage Gujarati and Marathi.
Ippo, we are trying to speak it, so don't ask us to speak. Please. Give us 2 more years. We'll come back to that.
Actually, I watched our film in Andhra also. I went to theatres in Andhra and we saw the reaction was superb.
Oh, cool. I wanted to do the theatre.
Theatre response, fantastic. I should see the people enjoying, especially the night fight is there, that fight where people get up after the blood is spilled.
Yeah.
That scene was hilarious.